Hello everybody, and welcome back to another Sun Brothers weekly tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make this ball out of the snake cube. Alright, let's jump right in. So the first step to making this ball is to get it out of any state that you have it in right now. Alright, now that you have it just like mine, what you're going to want to do is pick it up. And we're going to start off with this side right here. So hold your snake cube, snake puzzle, whatever, just like mine. And then what we're going to do is rotate this end piece right here, kind of away from you. So tilt it out like that. And then we're going to count 1, 2, and angle these pieces kind of towards you, like in towards you, like that. Then what you're going to want to do is we're going to position the puzzle a little bit differently, and we're going to take this piece right here and we're going to twist it, and we're going to twist it towards us. Now we're going to count 1, 2, 1, 2, and then twist this piece away from us, and then we kind of have this bend in our snake puzzle right here. Everything else is straight. So still holding it like this. We're going to kind of make these two pieces come together, and I'll show you what I mean. So we're going to rotate both of these pieces kind of in towards each other like this, so that you get this as the result. Now what you're going to want to go ahead and do is tilt this piece kind of downwards or away from you, so that you get your snake cube ending up looking like that. Now we're going to kind of position it differently or hold it differently, or I am at least. And what we're going to do is count 1, 2, 1, 2, and we're going to move this piece, we're going to rotate this piece upwards, I guess you would call it. And so now what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to move this to keep filling in this ball. We're going to have to rotate this piece like this, but it's kind of strange, you can't. So what we're going to have to do is bend this piece in advance, basically, towards us. So we're going to count 1, 2, bend this piece towards us, and then go back to this piece and bend it so that these two pieces snap together, forming, one kind of side of the ball. So just to show you that again, we're going to put these two together. That's a common concept throughout the whole thing. And if you can get that, you can get a lot of other stuff down the road. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn this whole thing, whole unsolved piece, downwards like this, kind of like how we had it before. And now holding it like this, we're going to rotate the rest towards us or upwards, and then we're going to want to rotate this piece right here to connect it, but we can't. So same thing as we said earlier, we're going to want to turn this on its side and then snap that piece right here. All right, now what we're going to do is rotate this piece towards the inner part of the circle. So that's because we're going to finish this rest of it. And let's hold this ball on the bottom for the rest of the solve. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to turn this unsolved piece, and we're going to curve it so that it fills in this unsolved part right here. So we're going to rotate it towards the unsolved part, and then it's the same case with not being able to go down again. So we're going to rotate it up like that, and then just snap it in like that. All right, this next part is kind of tricky because we have to fill in this kind of dip area right here. So what we're going to want to do is rotate this piece outwards like this, and you might have to move these pieces like that a little bit. It is awkward. And then rotate this piece right here, or from the side, rotate this piece right here, like so. so that this piece, snaps together like that. And we have 3 triangle pieces left. Then we're just going to basically rotate these triangle pieces so that they fill in this space right here and complete the ball. So we're going to want to rotate it like this, but it's not letting us. So we're going to have to preventively rotate this piece so that we can snap it like that, and then just flip this piece once to get the final ball. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe to Stun Brothers for more great tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.